Hey Brat Gang, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I am going to be cutting bangs on my 613 wig. You guys know I had this wig for so long now, over a year, and it still looks so bomb, but the frontal is time. Like, I have like 1 inch left on this frontal, so let's get started. The first thing I did was basically just like I was like second guessing doing a voiceover or even talking at all during this video because I didn't really do anything because of technique or like with much reason. I was just like having fun in the bathroom by myself. I was so happy to be alone. I love being alone and just doing my own thing. So I don't really have any technique. I just parted the hair out, and then I saw like how far the hair was going to spread to see if this was enough hair, because I don't want this too wide, and I also wanted it to be like editorial thin bangs. I told you I only have 1 inch left on this frontal anyway, so regardless it was going to be thin, like thinner than usual. But after I figured out, okay, this is enough hair for my parting, I just went ahead and hot combed the hair forward to like flatten it out. Look at me, wow. And then I hot combed the rest of the hair back. This is like my new favorite heat protectant. I forgot what it's called, BT2, something like that, but I'll tag every product in the links, in the description below. No stress, no plus. This is my new flat iron. I told y'all that I was gonna get a new flat iron. I love this flat iron. I'm gonna tag this too. Like, it's the best flat iron. But I'm just flat ironing the hair forward to get it to lay down, add a little bump into it, nothing major. Next, I'm just grabbing my razor comb, and it's rusty. And literally, like I said, it's literally no technique. I see a lot of people like twist their bangs and do like flip it and be doing like all type of stuff. I don't know what the purpose is in doing it. I don't understand it, so I'm not doing it. I'm just gonna do whatever I think I have to do to achieve a bang. So I'm taking the razor comb and I'm using like the thicker teeth, not really the thinner teeth, because that side is to thin out, not really to cut. And I just chop it off, and then I get my Cara wax stick. I love this stick, even though it's expensive. And I am using it to lay down the bangs, right here, because the bangs, like, they was sticking up because they not used to going this way. I always wear this frontal back, so I guess it was like, girl, you need to tame us, you need to train us to lay this way. So now I'm just cutting the excess hair out of my face, and I wanted my bang to look a little bit more fringy, a little bit more grungy, so I'm using the scissor to cut upwards like this. And also I did this when I felt like a certain area of the bang was too thick. So this was my worst decision, the worst decision you could possibly make. I got this new flat iron too, and I'm gonna link it, but don't use it for this, because what the fuck is that? I had to go take the big flat iron and like fix it because it was terrible. But I was doing too much heat. Like, I was using the heat protectant, but this is too much heat. Do not be like me. The hair is already blonde. It's already like almost 2 years old, and then you add in heat and heat and heat and heat and heat and heat and heat because I wanted it to lay down how I wanted it to lay down. But I ended up burning the hair. You guys gonna see. But now I'm deciding on if I want to add some more hair, just to make this piece a little bit longer, to frame my face a little bit. And in order to flatten that out, you have to hot comb it forward. And I'm just seeing if I would like it before I actually cut it. But yeah, ultimately I decided against it. I did not end up cutting. I just left like the bangs as is, how I cut it, because I don't know, this kind of looked like baby dollish. I kind of liked it like this. It looked a mess, but it looked like a cute mess. I kind of like when things don't look too perfect but they still look perfect, if that makes sense. I don't know. But here I am mutting it again with the flat iron. Like, don't do this. If anything, because I ended up parting it out in like sections, because that's what I should have done initially. But girl, this is my favorite lightweight new hairspray. I do not use the got to be hairspray anymore for like purposes like this, like hairspraying hair, like for real. Like, it's too heavy. But this one, I freaking love it, and it's gonna be in the description too. But yeah, I use that, and then I use like the back of the hot comb just to like set the hairspray in. This will help the hair lay down even more. I'm basically doing the same thing over and over and over and over again. I just don't know why I didn't take like the shortcut the first time. But this section was a little too thick, so I'm taking the scissors and going upwards and cutting it like that. I hope you guys are like getting something out of this video, because I literally was just in the bathroom playing with my hair. I love all the hair products that I'm using in this video, but I love this little glosser. I spray some on my hands and then spray some on the rest of my hair. This is what I should have did from the beginning. Part out the bang in smaller sections so you can really get to the root of the problem, which is the roots. That's why it's not sticking up. You need to really get into it, and I should have been did that, and then I would have never burnt my hair. But it seems like every time I get a hot comb in my hand, I do this same dance. I don't understand. But okay, so now that it's laying down nice, I like it. It's fringy, it's cute. I'm just gonna like finish the rest of it. And at this point, I had already burnt my hair, because you could kind of already see like it's pinkish, reddish, whatever color it is. But I did not notice it until after I passed this flat iron the last time. So I don't know when I screwed myself in the butt, but I did it at some point. But I wasn't even mad when I found out that I burnt my hair, because I don't know, I felt like it kind of made me look edgier. It kind of made me look like, I don't know. I didn't mind. I didn't care. Like I said, this wig is so old. I'm just like doing things with it at this point. And I could always part out some more hair to add on top of it if this little burnt little rust ends up getting on my nerves that bad, which I really don't think it would, because I don't know. I don't really be caring about stuff like that sometimes. I don't know. But like, yeah, wow, you really burnt your hair. That's terrible. Okay, so I finally stopped playing with my bangs, and I'm going to flat iron the rest of my hair. I love this blonde hair. Like I said, this blonde hair is coming up on 2 years. I love this blonde hair so much because it literally does not get tangled. And I'm saying it does not get tangled in like a reasonable way. Not excessive tangling, no excessive shedding, none of that. And it's just like, oh my God, it's just so soft. And then for me to have had it so long, I'm kind of like blown away by it. So I love this blonde hair. But yeah, I made sure to use heat protectant all over it after I burnt the bangs. This ain't never happened to me before, but I guess I literally was just doing too much. But yeah, get into it. It's really cute. I like it. But yeah, guys, I'm finna flat iron the other side. But look at how the other side is still so cute and so like, look at the movement, and I didn't even do anything to it. It's bomb ass hair. You guys, shop my hairline, shop my beauty brand, houseofvaneofficial.com. And I love YouTube. So guys, use code YouTube at checkout for whatever it is that you want to buy. I really don't mind. Save your coins and support me. Thank you so much in advance. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and burning and cutting my hair in the bathroom. That's basically all I did, was just finish flat ironing this, and that was it. Don't forget to like and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all next time.